And now display business tool. Okay, so what is a display, what is a business tool?
Which performs CAD operations.
It's a server side blind rule that executes whenever a record is inserted, okay, updated, deleted, queried, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is the second thing? Like, what are the types of business rules?
Before, before,
Before, after.
before, after, async and display.
Yeah. So we seen before, we seen after, we seen nothing, but we didn't see display. Okay. What is display business rule? Okay. Let's say what is business rule like before business rule, after business rule, async business rule. Okay. They run. Okay. When the second job or a primary job, whatever it is, they run the second job, secondary job. When just give me 1 second, ma. Just give me 1 second. Ah, very good. Cool. Okay. You can all hear me, please. Please confirm.
Yes.
Ah, okay. So see here, before, after async, they are running the secondary job. Okay, secondary job or some job when something is happened to the particular table level. There are blind rules, and the rules will run whenever some triggering condition met. When it is insertion time, updation time, querying time. Okay, something deletion time. First point, clear? And that in that flow, okay, we didn't see display business rule. Okay, display business rule is a special case. I said it won't fall under that particular three types. Okay, but this is a separate thing. Okay, so what is display business rule is, okay, let's create one business rule. Okay, I'm just closing all of them to go to display business rule, right? From incident table, okay. So see this one, we will be seeing a simple thing, and then maybe we can, I will just discuss two things, two examples I can discuss, and then we will see how it works. Okay. First, I am creating a display business rule. Okay. I will be, we will be seeing two examples. Okay. So just get the business display business tool thing. So here see, first thing is first, when I say display, okay, nothing will be there. Display means display. When the form, okay, opens, loads, that time this business tool will run. Okay. Maybe with some condition. Okay. So I don't want to keep condition also. So that means now it loads, it runs whenever the form loads. First thing. Just in advanced, what I do is I will just keep one simple server side code. You can keep any server side code here. Okay. First start with something. gs dot add. Okay. Info message. Okay. What is your best one, ma? Just to give something. Okay. ServiceNow is very easy technology to learn. Okay. Now this is the business tool I created on incident table level. Okay, and the type is display business tool, and just give some value where when it will be executed. You don't have any other options. Maybe you have one option where you can keep some condition also. Okay, just don't keep any condition for now. First add info message. This message I'm printing it. Okay, now go to the form. Step by step we will see the results, but don't confuse and don't, please be patient for 2 minutes. Okay, so incident form, okay, just loading it. So see this one, from where it is coming. This message from where it is coming, ma?
Display business rule.
So it is coming from the script in the display business rule, right?
Will this work even for the existing record?
this works for any record. Yes, it works for existing record. It works on the form loading.
But then what is the difference
Wait, ma.
between this and the onload?
What is the difference between this and onload?
Yeah, client script.
Yeah. So first point, this one is clear. Subham, someone who asked, will it work for existing one?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what is the difference between this one and onload? Onload only supports GForm related. Now I am running. Okay. What I am running? I am running a server side code. Clear? Okay. This example is not the good example. Okay. So what I give the example is, okay. So just now see where gr equal to new glide record of, okay, any table like user table. Just take user table. Gr dot add query. Okay. Caller, you are in a user table now. So sysid equal to current dot caller id, right? So now what you are doing, you are in an incident form, maybe, okay, existing incident form. There you have one field called caller. Okay, that value you are getting, and then you are going to use a table and then equalizing that value as add query. Now just do gr dot query. Okay, while if gr dot, okay, then what you want to do here, I want to get all the incidents, okay, or what you want to get, just to get something. I have a user, okay, now I can get anything.
Manager's name.
One
Manager's name.
manager's name you can get. Again, Steffi Gary will ask why I need to get server side code.
All his
Get
groups.
reference user dot manager will give you, no? Okay, I want to get all his groups, as someone said, right? So go to group table now, where, okay, maybe you can say, okay, return simple, okay, gs dot, okay, add info message, okay, gr, you have user na, is member of a member of it, will it work? Member of will work, how to get the users is member of. Okay, write it in my way. I don't know this one. Okay, just give me a minute. So where gr1, okay, equal to new glide record of, okay, gr member table. Okay, gr.1. So what I'm getting my here, add query.
Groups of that.
Yeah, so you have a user here, right? User, okay, and what you want to get, gr.sysid. So if this is the case, we already have current.sysid. Current is current caller ID. Why we are going inside of it? You can directly call current.sysid here only, no? So we don't want this one. So I want to get something special. Mm,
Current.sysid is member of we can use.
these members, that's what I said. I tried. Give me 1 second. I have seen something. Okay, ma. Caller
In
ID.
GR member table, try to get current uh, in the field group, try to get current.caller ID.
So what do you want to print here?
Just correct the add query. Gr dot.
Yes, thank you. So you are getting the GR member. So let's write return. Okay, so gs dot add info. message. Okay, gr1 dot group. I'm just printing the sysid get display value. Just let me try what it will give. Okay, so it will be giving 2 3 while is there na. Okay, so let's open this one. So open this one. Okay, this is existing one. So cancel this. So you just load it, launch it, or just refresh it. No, we didn't update it. So this display business
Maybe
tool.
you don't have groups.
I didn't say it didn't this. Okay, let me see if this guy is having how many groups. First of all, okay, gr.name group name. So this guy doesn't have any
You
groups.
don't have.
Very good. We are very much fortunate people. Okay, now refresh it. Okay, so first message,
Yeah.
second message, third message, fourth message, right? One common point, one. Okay, so we executed this code. Sorry, the business tool. The business tool is running, and the output of this business tool you are seeing here, right? This is clear, ma? Yes, no.
Yes.
So now, when this display business tool is running on load client script time, right? When you are displaying a current record, that time this will execute. Simple. First point, first type of display business tool. One scenario for display business tool. Clear? Steffi Garu,
Yes.
is that answer for your question? Why we need to use display business tool when we have onload client script? Can we able to get this thing in onload client script?
No, will not be able to get through the
Yeah,
onload. Yeah, yeah, it's clear now,
it's
sir.
clear. Yeah, ma. Thank you. So first part, clear, ma? Everyone agree? Yes, no?
Yes,
No.
yes.
Now the second way of using display business tool is okay. This is one symbol, one thing. Second way is okay. G scratchpad. Okay, G scratchpad. Okay, is a just to give me 1 second. I need to get the syntax of it. Not syntax, but the exact scratchpad. If it is wrong, no, it won't execute. It takes out time. So G scratchpad. Then give anything, the variable. Okay, I'll take one variable name. Okay, that is called okay ABC or skfax. Okay, so I'm just using this scratchpad, I am writing something. This is a variable. Now I am keeping one value to this. Okay, same thing. Okay, skfax is good channel for ServiceNow job aspirants. Okay, is it true or false? Okay, maybe diplomatic question.
Self-bragging.
Bracket. What is bracket? No, nothing. Not required. No, it is string. No, I'm passing a string.
No, no, I was saying something else, but no worries.
Huh. Okay. So see here now in display business tool, I written something using this scratchpad. Okay, this particular one which I written now is will be acted as a global variable. Okay, so from now onwards, wherever you call this one from client side, this value will be applied to that. Okay, now we have this particular one. I saved it right. When I saved it, okay, you have one line in this one and this is the one. Okay, now go to this particular table where you have it. This is the table. Refresh it. Do you see something is working one running now? Nothing. The display business tool is running, but you didn't see anything here, right? Because this is nothing like you just defined a global variable with some value. Okay, how you use this one? This is in server side now. Okay, this is in server side. How you use it from client side? So go to incident table and then create a client script. I'm writing a client script here. Okay, just to give me 1 minute, it is very easy. Okay, once you run that client script, then you will understand it. Scratch. Okay, this calling this scratchpad. So anything is fine. You can take on change to see more times. Okay, isolated script and all, we don't want to touch it. Okay, here how I am calling that one is, okay, alert G scratchpad. The same thing. You are calling the entire thing. Okay, so this is how you call it from client side. Okay, so now whenever you this what is the meaning of this particular client script? Whenever you are changing this particular field called active, the script will run, and the script what you are calling is a global variable which you defined in the client server side in business tool, display business tool. Agree? Yes? No?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see the results. Yeah. So now see the results. Okay. So I am just changing it. On change client script, it is calling the display business tool. Display business tool G scratchpad variable. Okay, global variable. This is the value it have it. Okay. Okay, this is again different one. There is another mail one. Okay, now I am doing it again. So every time the client script is running, the G scratchpad variable is being called. It's a global variable and the value is passing there. Understood? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is such a simple. Now, what is this scratchpad? Okay. And what is this one? This scratchpad is a one of the way one it will allow you. So there are three ways we seen yesterday. How many ways you can call server side data from client side? One is get reference. Second is okay, script include, and third one is display business rule using this scratchpad. Here you can keep something and then use this value in client side. Okay, what you can keep here? You can keep anything. So you write 100 lines of code and just finally you keep the output in here. Can we do the same thing which we did in display business? Like some time back we did no. So Vishnu suggested it. I want to get all the users who have like I want to get the groups and then I use it in something client script. So using display business rule also you can write it. Same like script include. And output you can keep it in here and use this one in client side. Yesterday code also you can copy like this, right? Yesterday we got all the user parameters, right? You got it, ma? Yes or no? We like the output of that particular script include return equal to first name colon last name colon everything you got it. So that value you can keep it here and then you use that client script to divide it and then set it. Agree? This is also okay alternative of script include. Okay, where it gives you the server side data. So what if I say okay here okay if I say return okay so I will say gr something what I will push here okay maybe whatever the group C side is I will push here okay I will put an alert and then so what I will keep an array and then push all of them and then keep it in return okay and that value I can keep okay instead of this one I can say like this also right g scratchpad okay if I say now instead of return if I say this one okay and instead of this one I will say contributor so what contributor will get you ma let's say I took one variable here and I'm pushing the contributor values in that and then I'm keeping that value in escapefx. What value it will give? All the groups studies it will give, right? Roles or groups, whatever it is. The same example what we seen in PA utility mode,
Yes.
right? So you get the data, you keep the data here. Okay, let's see. Let's execute this one. So maybe this is the simplest way to do. Okay, so instead of doing this one, uncomment it. Okay, I'm running only for if one time. Okay, and escapefx equal to okay gr dot escapefx equal to gr dot what we are printing ma gr1 dot group na group get display name. Okay, whatever he is the member of, okay, I am printing that particular value in skfax. So print that skfax, what you will get it. So the skfax global variable which is defined in display business tool, we are calling here, and I am printing that value here. So now see, okay, so on change client script undefined, very good, this is okay. First one is a group, but it is saying undefined, gr1 group get display name, get display value, huh?
Inside display value, display name.
Value, very good. So I'm printing the skfax, very good. Even why you need this one, it is also loading, huh? We didn't uncommented it, huh? Just give me a minute. The display business tool is running, that's for sure, because I can see this one. Okay, now going into loop and then getting that and then assigning to that skfax, that we are specifically checking now, right? You seen it, ma? How this value is coming?
Yes,
Okay,
display value.
yeah, on change of this client script. Okay, on change of this client script, it is working. Every time you would change this one, it is working. And here you are just keeping a value skfax. The skfax is a global variable which is defined in this scratchpad, and this scratchpad you assign this value, the output of it. Okay, let me see if I say while what it will give. Okay, I'm having little confusion, so it is having. Let me see. If it don't work, don't ask me why, please. Even I don't know. I need to work on it. Nothing. Okay, one. So okay, give me 1 second. Fine. So it given me second one. Okay. Analysis. So it is taking only one only. So maybe I can do one thing. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Okay. Uh, where is PI utility contributor script? Do we copied it? No, I didn't copy it. Give me 1 second more. I want to apply the same logic. I want to see all three here. Okay. Uh, script include.
So,
Yes, ma.
yeah, it's gr1 dot push. Yeah, right.
I want to just get into syntax. Let me time. It should give all these three separated by commas if my code is correct. One group, second group, third group, separated by comma. You agree, ma? Yes? No?
Yeah,
Everyone is that copied? What is the display business tool? What? How many ways you can do now? How many ways you can use?
Can you just show the code once again?
Yeah, yeah, sure. I will show. Here while loop will run. Okay, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times it will run, and then it will get this value. I'm passing that value to skfax, and skfax I'm printing in the client side on change client script. Agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So you may see the similarity using client script. Schedule job also you can see the same similarity. Okay. Sorry, not schedule job. Yesterday we seen script include. Okay. Script include will also do the same, but display business will also do the same. Okay. So either way you can use, but business rules runs every time on the form. Okay. But script include will run whenever it is being called. That is the only one important, very, very, very important Okay, difference. When you are loading the form, whatever, when it is creating, updating, loading the form, okay, so now you load it, now all the display business rules will run here, okay, and then pass the variable to the client side. Now when you refresh this one, okay, what happens to the system is it runs all the business rules with display type, and then it passed these values from server side to client side. If you use them here, you are fine. If you don't use them here, we don't care. So every time when you are loading it, it is working. Okay. So simple. See here. If you until you don't use it, okay, you are getting here, right? Whenever you are loading this form, the value is getting to the client, right? You agree to this or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Even if you don't also it will.
Ah, even if see here you are just using it. Okay, you are using one of the value
Yeah.
which is already there. If you don't use it, it don't be there. So all these scratch pads which are defined on the incident table, when you are refreshing it, they are coming to this particular client. How you use it? I'll just keep one more field here, ma. Okay, maybe one more line, maybe. Okay, uh, G form. Okay, set value of description equal to, just pass this one skfax. Maybe you can just define one simple variable and then pass. That is also there, fine. But let me try it. So this is your operation. Until you don't use it, okay, it won't fit. So you are getting the value in the client side. The value is there in your client. How you are using, this is where you are using. See here. Okay. Now nothing is there in description field. Now you are changing it. That time client script will. You got this one, ma?
Yeah.
Right? So the display business rule or any business rule, that's first line I told, business rule is a blind thing. A rule that runs on this table level. When they run, display will run every time you see something, you load the form. Okay, and then maybe the secondary action will run after async. Those and all will change based on condition. Okay, what selection you did. That means like insert, update, delete, and all.